Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to know if your order is on its way on Postmates. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Maybe you've ordered from Postmates. How do you actually know if your order is on your way? Now, in order to do this, guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But first, you're going to go ahead and click onto Postmates. And then normally when you click onto Postmates, your order should automatically be shown, okay? But if it's not shown, as you can see right here, there's some blurred out information and it shows that my order is on its way. But if it's not showing and your screen just looks completely blank like this, right now the upper left hand side is blurred out, but on the bottom right hand side, you want to go ahead and click on account. And then on this page here, you want to click on orders, which is on the right hand side. And then you're going to see your active orders. So you can see right now I have an active order. So click on track and then it'll open you up to the same window. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and know if your order is on its way with Postmates. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.